How to fix application has been blocked to accessing graphics hardware on Windows. 1. Run a system file checker scan. 2. Remove and reinstall the graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Edit the TDR delay registry setting at computer /HT _ local _ machine /system /control set 001 /control /graphics drivers or computer /HT _ local _ machine /system /control set 002 /control /graphics drivers in registry editor. 3.1 for 32-bit Windows users, enter 8 into DWord. 3.2 for 64-bit viewers, enter 8 into TDR delayed word. 4. Roll your Windows back to a system. Restore point.